Welcome the Art channel. Today we how to authenticate with Artgrid for video B-roll step by step clearly. Visit the Artgrid website. Click on the login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up option. Fill in the required information, including your email and a strong password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button to complete your registration. Once logged in, navigate to the B-roll section in the menu. Browse through the available video content or use the search bar to find specific footage. When you find a video that fits your needs, click on it to view details. Check the licensing information to ensure it meets your project requirements. If satisfied, click the Download button. Select your preferred resolution for the video clip. Click Confirm to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, check your Downloads folder for the video file. You can now use the downloaded B-roll footage in your video projects. Repeat the process for any additional clips you wish to download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.